again, and this time it's bigger and better.
We just hit 250k on YouTube and we just cannot contain our excitement.
And of course, all of this could not happen without you guys and your constant love.
We absolutely love you guys to bits, and I think it's time to show you just how much.
We're all a big family now, but it still feels like yesterday that we just started making videos.
I know, right? Time does fly, but I think the bond has just grown stronger with each passing video.
And every time we wake up in the morning, the first thing we all do is read all your comments, and oh my god, it's unreal how much you guys love us.
I completely agree with you, but I think we need to move on to the point. We have some amazing hampers and gifts lying here for you guys.
So let's see what they are. So what do we start with first? Makeup, please.
Of course, Komal, we all know how much you love makeup, but stop buying the Maybelline hamper.
So this is what the Maybelline hamper looks like.
This is my absolute favorite, and I think I'm going to start by picking out the Colossal Kajal. It is one of my favorites. It has great pigmentation and it lasts very long.
Next, we've got your lipsticks from the Maybelline Color Sensational Creamy Matte range. This is what it looks like. It's a beautiful, cool-toned pink. It's got a creamy, buttery texture that glides onto the lips very easily, and it does not tug at all.
So this range of lipsticks also comes in different shades like Touch of Spice and All Fired Up, and which are also absolutely fabulous.
Yes. Now, let me introduce you guys to the Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. This mascara adds a great amount of volume to your lashes. 2 coats of it and you're good to go.
Yes. The hamper also contains other things like a gel liner and a brow pencil. That's all for this hamper.
So next we have these super cool UE Roll 2 speakers from Logitech.
I think the best part about these speakers is that they're waterproof and it also contains a floaty. So get your hands on these guys.
So now we have goodies worth rupees 20,000 from NYX Professional Makeup. Let's pick out our favorite products.
Okay, so my personal favorite is actually the NYX Matte Bronzer. I absolutely love this product. You can use it on both your face and body. I think my favorite part about this is the sun-kissed look that it gives you, and yet so natural. Yeah, so that's my favorite.
Okay, so moving on to my favorite. It's the NYX Hydra Touch Powder Foundation. It packs my base flawlessly. It does not look cakey at all, and it's extremely light on my skin.
Okay, next I'm gonna pick out the Sculpt and Highlight Brow Contour. I absolutely love this product. I think the best part is that it flawlessly lifts your brows and makes them look almost red carpet ready.
Okay, so for all you lipstick lovers, it's the NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and definitely a turn on waterproof extreme color lip liner in the shade Dark Soul. It's a beautiful wine color. It helps your lips look plumper and also helps the lipstick to stay on for longer hours.
So the goodie bag also has some other amazing things like a mascara, some lipsticks, a shadow stick. Very exciting products.
Moving on, we've also got you products from L'Oreal Professional worth rupees 20,000.
So I'm going to start by talking about these super exciting products from the Mythic Oil range that L'Oreal has sent us. Let's start with this product, which is actually a Color Glow oil. It's my favorite because if you have dry and unruly hair like mine, this is literally a magic potion. We also have a shampoo from the Mythic Oil range, which is once again amazing. It has argan oil, which as you know is great for your hair, super nourishing. And the other product that I'm holding from this range is a hair mask. All of you know that if your hair is really dry and damaged, I think a hair mask is the one product that can really give it some good nourishment.
So my personal favorite is the L'Oreal Professional Color Radiance Protection Shampoo. Now if you have colored hair like mine, then you definitely need this one. No matter how much your stylist tells you that coloring your hair won't damage your hair, believe me, it does. It really damaged my hair, but ever since I switched to this shampoo, my hair has been shinier and softer. Now, it's also important for you to use hair products from the same family. This one's the L'Oreal Professional Color Radiance Protection Mask. So after you're done shampooing your hair, apply it to your towel-dried hair and leave it on for 1 minute. It will give you visibly shinier and softer hair. Now, the goodie bag also has shampoos and masks for reconstructing damaged hair,
along with products from the Techniart range, which are absolutely fantastic. So let's move on to the next brand, that is Chumbak. Now we have goodies worth rupees 15,000 from Chumbak.
So So this is what we have from Chumbak for you guys. I'm sure most of you know about Chumbak, but for those of you who don't, Chumbak is a design-led lifestyle brand that strives to make your everyday happier. And the first product that comes out of my bag is this beautiful cage that you can use to decorate your room with fairy lights. And that's just such a happy start and end to your day, right?
Absolutely. So I'm actually going to pull out my favorite item from this bag, which is this diary. I think it's just so pretty, and I'm a writer and I always keep diaries with me.
Cute.
It's so cute, right? Yes. So what I'm going to pull out next is this super pretty wallet. I absolutely love it. I think it's the perfect addition to anybody's bag. It's just a nice way to brighten up your day, you know? Yeah. So the next thing I am going to pull out from here is this laptop sleeve. I think it's just adorable. Whether you're going to work, to college, or just traveling, I think it adds the right amount of color to any dull day.
So the goodie bag also has products like fridge magnets, cushion covers, bobbleheads, mugs, photo frames and much more. Next up we have shoes from Asics.
So what I'm holding is the Fit YUI from Asics. What I absolutely love about these shoes is that they're so comfortable and the fit and flexibility is great. But that's not even the best part. The best part is that they allow you to work out in style.
What I'm holding are the Fuse X Rush shoes. These are comfortable and are perfect for running. For all you fitness lovers, we've got the Fitbit Charge HR band. We're giving it away in the teal color
And the plum. I think given the busy lives that we lead, this product becomes all the more important. It tracks all your activity, it tracks your steps, the number of calories burned. And I think what you're going to love about this product is the fact that it can wirelessly sync to your phone. So next up, we have these amazing shoes from Naturalizer.
We have these amazing shoes from Naturalizer which can be bought with a voucher worth rupees 10,000 at all Bata stores. Next up, we have a rupees 15,000 worth voucher from Duavivo.
So guys, Duavivo is a brand that connects buyers and sellers of luxury goods. If you're looking for anything very luxury, you know where to find it. They have over 200 brands from Valentino, Gucci, Prada, you name it and you'll have it there.
So now you can shop all these products from all these luxury brands with this luxury voucher.
Last but definitely not the least, we have Stock by Love.
Oh my god, I love Stock by Love. You guys always ask me what I'm wearing in my videos, but let me tell you guys, half of my wardrobe is from Stock by Love.
That is true, guys.
So we're really happy to give you away products from Stock by Love worth rupees 10,000. My favorites from the website are these 3 gorgeous chokers, a super cool coordinate set, and the tan backpack. A very pretty leopard print sling bag.
So now that we're done with the goodies, it's time for the Pop Exo Mega Giveaway rules. So guys, listen in carefully. The contest entries start now and they close on the 10th of March at 6 p.m.
You can only participate if you're 18 plus.
The contest is only open for girls and you have to be living in India.
You have to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Pop Exo TV.
You have to download the Pop Exo app. The download links are mentioned in the description box.
You have to follow our Instagram page, which is Pop Exo Daily.
You have to fill out a form, which is again mentioned in the description box.
Also, don't forget to follow all the brand pages. Again, the details are in the description box below.
Once you've done all of the above, come back and comment "done" on this video. Only and only on this video. Remember that.
You will only be considered for the giveaway if you do each and everything mentioned.
To earn some extra brownie points, don't forget to go to our Instagram page and tell us which prize you'd like to win and why. Remember to hashtag PopExo Mega Giveaway and the brands.
We will pick 10 winners, 1 product for each winner. The winners will be picked randomly and so will the gift.
The winners will be announced on the 17th of March 2017.
So guys, do participate to win these amazing goodies. Don't forget to subscribe to Pop Exo TV and download the Pop Exo app.